Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is D.Palzom. So currently I'm living in Bangalore. Yeah. In previous video, in previous thingy I have told like I want to reduce my weight, right? So it's been a more than 1 month. So today I will tell you how much weight I have reduced in a month. So the main thing is you need to be consistent. You have to be eat nice, tight. We are telling like the parents tightly. The cycle temporary. You need to take lots of water. You need to do walking, and yeah, and you need to be have a proper sleep. You need to be happy. That's all matters. So, the tawachik ring means something lang weight katsilana. Before that my weight was 56.7 in between. So when yesterday when I checked my weight, it was 53.5. So it reduced my weight like 3 to 4 kgs. It's a good sign. Within a month is a good, I'm thinking. So till now I'm doing my regular walking, evening walking, morning walking, and Zumba dance and Surya Namaskar and chakras and the things which I've learned in my school activity time. So it is very good, and I have cut off all the junk foods like burger, KFC, Pepsi and all. And also I'm cooking everything in my house, like green vegetables, carrot, dal, chatna, and I'm drinking lots of water. So I think if you want to reduce the weight, you need to be consistent. So this is which I am following. So now in this video I will do some Surya Namaskar. So hope you like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Okay, see you then. Guys, so now I will do the Surya Namaskar. So follow me. If you don't know, you can check the steps. Okay, guys. Okay, I'll start my first is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Okay, so you can do 3 times if you like. So this side, so back side I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so after this we can do like this. Slowly. Okay, warm up the body. You can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, for today. Yeah. You don't need to do the lot of shower. Yeah. My thing like this, but put same color. Some dance down and chair. Yeah. Una the uterus. So putting una the end is like a chamber. I am the moon at home as in the truth to me as a chew tongue to Bangalore to the ginger coconut water as a any fruit side is back or chamber. Okay guys, Tara in. So nowadays people are switching to the healthy life, so I wish you all are doing a great and eating on fresh food and drinking a lot of water and stay away from the disease. If you're going outside with the dust and everything, you should wear a mask. You know, chilo to do somebody in the carina, bigger chamber mask, however, mother, not a sound pull it. You have to take prevention from yourself. Tara in some and see you in next vlog. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye. See you in next vlog.